Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers again. So today we are going to do a set on conditional arrangement. We call it the subliminal arrangement, right? I hope that your preparation is on the full swing. We are doing these three activities as mentioned to you. Doing the daily quizzes on our Facebook group. Join with the link in the description. You are following our book regularly. If you don't have the book of these six in the PDF form, you can download it from the file section in our group, right? And third, you can do the free learnish mocks as and when they come from our group only, right? Let's see what is the today's set. It says there are four people, four morning persons: Prakash, Sangeet, Piyush, and Rakesh. They arrive at the gym at the same time to exercise. Each of them exercise for the same amount of time on each of the four machines. Okay, so these are the four machines on these four people are working exactly once. Okay, so everyone works on each of the machines. There is only one machine of each time. So if one person is using treadmill, the other cannot use the treadmill. No one else came. So these were the only four people who came, who occupied, who replaced each other. Okay, and no machine left empty. So everyone is occupied at some point of time, right? And then there are some conditions that Sangeeta could not use the treadmill because Prakash was the first person to use it. So there are four machines, and in four machines, I have to fit in four people each, right? So this is what my structure will look like, right? Okay, so let me do that. So I'll solve the set here, right? I have four machines: treadmill, elliptical, bike, and stairmaster. Now let me read the conditions and write whatever the information is here, right? Sangeeta could not use the treadmill because first Prakash used it. So Prakash used it first. So Prakash comes here. Rakesh used each of the treadmill and the stairmasters after Sangeeta finished using them. So Sangeeta will come first and Rakesh will come second. And they are not immediate. It is not necessary that Sangeeta is here and Rakesh is here. If Sangeeta is here, Rakesh can come here, right? If Sangeeta is here, Rakesh can come here. Anything is possible. So in both cases, S comes first and R comes later, right? Okay, fine. This is done. This is taken care of. Third point. Piyush used the elliptical first. So Piyush is using this first, followed immediately by Stairmaster. And then Piyush is using Stairmaster. So Piyush is here now. Now, a very interesting point. Each person is using in the first slot. So this is kind of the first slot. This is second slot. This is third slot. And this is fourth slot. So if Prakash is here, Prakash cannot be here or here, right? So it is a kind of a Sudoku, right? Okay. Now, तीन लोगों की पोजीशन तय हो चुकी है अपने पास. Okay. Can I say before going to fourth point, can I say कि देखो, each person will come first, right? हर बंदा कहीं ना कहीं तो first आएगा ही आएगा. Now, Rakesh cannot come first here. Why? Because he will come after Sangeeta, and I am not sure where the position of Sangeeta, where the position of Sangeeta is. But Rakesh उसके बाद ही आएगा ना. तो obviously यहाँ पे तो आ नहीं सकता राकेश. तो यहाँ कौन आएगा? संगीता फर्स्ट आएगी. यहाँ संगीता फर्स्ट आएगी तो राकेश के फर्स्ट आने के लिए एक ही जगह बची. राकेश फर्स्ट यहाँ आएगा, राइट? ये भी सॉर्ट हो गया हमारा इसी के साथ. काफी कुछ सॉर्ट हो गया. ओके. Prakash used the elliptical immediately after Sangeeta finished using the treadmill. So प्रकाश ने elliptical तब यूज किया जब संगीता का treadmill खत्म हो गया. Now I have to assume a place for Sangeeta. Let's say. So these are the two places where Sangeeta can come, right? Because राकेश ने उसके बाद आना तो संगीता यहाँ तो आ नहीं सकती. Now let's say Sangeeta comes here. Let's say if Sangeeta comes here, then Prakash used the elliptical immediately after Sangeeta finished using the treadmill. So Prakash will come here, right? Now, see, Sangeeta cannot come here, Piyush cannot come here, Prakash cannot come here, right? So who will come here? Rakesh will come here. Now, Sangeeta, Rakesh, Piyush, so it would be Prakash here, right? It seems quite sorted now. Three people are here, so fourth one would be what? Sangeeta. Sangeeta is fourth one to use elliptical, right? Sangeeta comes here. Now, two places are filled. Now it is more or less of arrangement. Sangeeta, Prakash, Piyush, or Piyush and Rakesh. There are two places left for Piyush and Rakesh, right? Here also. Okay. Rakesh used each of the treadmill. This is done. Okay. Okay. Rakesh can come here. Rakesh can come here. Prakash can come here. So Prakash cannot come here, right? Prakash is third here. Prakash cannot come here, which means Prakash will come here, which means Rakesh will come here. Now, Prakash cannot come here. Rakesh cannot come here. It could be either Piyush or Sangeeta, right? Okay. Sangeeta cannot come fourth at this place. Sangeeta यहाँ fourth आई है तो यहाँ नहीं आएगी, which means Sangeeta is third here. So if Sangeeta is third here, Piyush is fourth here, right? Okay. And then Piyush is here, right? Because he is the only person left, and then Ramesh is here. So this is our first arrangement, we can say, right? Why this is the first arrangement? Because we assumed Sangeeta to be here, right? After us at a certain point, we assumed that Sangeeta is here, and then we arrange the things. It was quite possible that Sangeeta was not here, right? So let me also take into consideration the other account now, right? I'll have to remove everything in order to take that. Okay, okay. So where was I? Let's see. So these are the things we are sure about, right? Rakesh came here because we were sure about this. Then we assumed Sangeeta to be here. Now let's say Sangeeta is here. If Sangeeta is here, can I say Rakesh will be here, right? Because Rakesh has to come after Sangeeta. And then Piyush has to come here. But then this is not even possible. Why? Because Piyush is already here. In this arrangement is false arrangement, which means Sangeeta has to come here. And when Sangeeta was here, we already made the arrangement. Right. What was the arrangement in that case? Let me note it down. Right. It was Prakash. And then it was, I think, Sangeeta. It was Sangeeta, right? And then Rakesh was definitely the last one. Ramesh. It was in Piyush. So it was elliptical wala point tha. Hamara Piyush came here. So if Piyush is coming here, Sangeeta is here, so Sangeeta must be here. No, no, Piyush was not here. So Prakash used the elliptical. So Prakash, it is Prakash, right? It is Rakesh. It was Sangeeta, right? Then we said Sangeeta was here, so Sangeeta would be here. We used it already. Then we said about Prakash, only one spot left. Then Piyush, only one spot left. Now we can also construct it. This must be then Prakash, and this must be then Rakesh, the person left. Okay. Now this completes my arrangement, right? Sudoku type of arrangement. What is given? Who was the first person to use the Stairmaster? The first person to use the Stairmaster was Sangeeta. Okay, who among the following used the maximum number of machines immediately after Piyush finished using them? So after Piyush, Ramesh, Piyush, Rakesh, or whosoever the person is, Rakesh, Ramesh, whosoever it is, Rakesh, right? Rakesh. Piyush Rakesh. Piyush is the last one, Piyush Rakesh. So it is Rakesh here. Which of the following is the correct order in which any of the four person used the machine? Treadmill. Treadmill was used by Prakash. Then Prakash moved to bike. So treadmill and bike. No, it is not here. Treadmill and bike is not here. So and treadmill next is bike is here. Okay. Then Prakash. Then Prakash moved to elliptical. Okay, so this is also wrong. This is also wrong. Right. Okay, Stairmaster. Who was that Stairmaster? Stairmaster was first used by Sangeeta. Then Sangeeta moved to treadmill. So Stairmaster, treadmill. This is correct. And then no, elliptical is not correct. So this is also wrong. This must be true. Exercise bike. The first person to use the exercise bike was Rakesh. Then Rakesh moved to elliptical. So Rakesh, elliptical. Then Rakesh moved to Stairmaster. Then Stairmaster. And then obviously treadmill. So this is again done. Right. Fourth option is the right answer. Last, if everyone started exercising at 4:30 p.m. and they changed the machine exactly after 25 minutes, so 4:30 and then 4:55, right? 4:30, 4:55, and then 25 minutes would be 5:20, and then it would be up to 5:45. So basically, it is the third slot. Prakash in the third slot. Prakash in the third slot. Here, elliptical. So Prakash is using elliptical over here. So this completes my set. Not a very difficult one, but yes, if you have done these type of sets before, it would be a very easy go for you, right? If you have not, you might get stuck at some point, right? I hope the concept is clear to you. And if it is, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.